Little update on the Triumph SS 100. All the mechanical work's done now. Just need the customer to bring up the mudguards and tank and seat. Then we can start to get it up and running. Here are the parts that I've been changing. So there's fork stanchions, exhaust, plate off the front wheel, air filter, clutch bucket. This wasn't good, as you can see. Well, it shouldn't look like that. Pistons, mains, that's the other mains, shells, conrod bolts, oil filter cap, quite a few odds and ends, new set of tyres. So I'm just waiting for the mudguard and tank.